name is Kendra Michelle, and thank you for coming to my channel if it's your first time. If not, welcome back. And I am here with a nice and simple video for you guys today. I'm actually going to do a makeup haul. We're gonna call it a mini makeup haul because it's not a whole lot of makeup. So I had some gift cards and I was like, you know what, we're gonna go out and see what we can find. So I got a couple things from MAC. I had a gift card for MAC and I had a gift card for Macy's, so I got a couple items from there. But I also went to Nordstrom's Rack. I didn't have a gift card there, so I spent my own money. However, I did find some items. If you guys didn't know, Nordstrom's Rack has an awesome makeup section, and a lot of the items are half price than what you would find in the stores at Sephora or MAC. They had a lot of different items. So I'm going to insert some videos there of the items that I found, and I'm also going to show you guys what I actually picked up. So these are some of the items that they had available at Nordstrom's Rack. They had some Urban Decay palettes, some MAC lip liners, and of course the Urban Decay lipsticks. These are some of the shades that they had available. They had a couple bowls full of lip liners and lipsticks and lip glosses, and these are all of the different colors that I was able to come across. So as you guys can see in the video, there's a lot of different items that they have. They're selected colors. A lot of the Urban Decay lipsticks were either deep purples, some bright pinks, some mauve colors. So they were kind of like all in the same family. But hey, if that's what you're looking for, then it was a great deal. So I actually picked up 2 lipsticks from the Urban Decay, and I got from the MAC collection, the color Tilt. And so it's this orange color here. So I'm going to take it out the box so you guys can see. Actually, I'm just going to tell you the price first. So the retail value is $22.08, and I got it for $9.97. So I don't know if you guys can see there. Like I said, I don't really know how to focus my camera yet with little small items like this, but take my word for it, it's $9.97. And here's what it looks like. And it's this beautiful orange color here. I'm just gonna swatch it so you guys can see. I have something swatched on that hand already. So I'm gonna do that. There's Kid screaming. So I don't know if you can catch the true color of it on camera, but it's a beautiful orange, orangish reddish color. And it's in the color Tilt, and it's a matte lipstick. And I also picked up the color After Dark, and it's also a matte. And this tube is a little bit brighter than the other one. I think they're both really pretty. So that's the different comparison. So this is it's actually ironic because this one is darker and it's a lighter color. Anyways. So this is what is it called again? This is the Matte After Dark. Okay, and it looks like this. So it's a really pretty purple color, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch that for you. Let me turn it down before I break it. And that's that color there. So I got these 2 lipsticks from the Urban Decay. Like I said, they had a lot of colors in the same family, and some of them I already have. But they had a lot of lip liners. They had a bunch of different things, like I showed you in the clip there. So if you have the time to sit there and look through, I think it's worth it because $22 compared to $9.97, $10, I think was a great find. They also had Nyx products there, so I just picked up some things that I needed since I was there. So I got their glitter primer, which is really good. And I also, this was $6. And I also got, this is the Glitter Brilliance. So it's their loose glitter pigment. And I got this blue color. It has numbers on it. It doesn't have a name. And I'm not reading all those numbers. So yeah, so I picked up these two items as well from Nordstrom's Rack, as well as some wonderful clothes. Like, Nordstrom's Rack is awesome. They have a lot of good sales there. They did have a lot of MAC products. They had some of the loose shadows. They had some foundations. The foundation, I believe, was like $19 or something like that. They didn't have my color, so I wasn't able to get it. They had a couple powders. They didn't have any of my colors in those, but it's worth a shot to go and try it out. So I thought that I would let you guys in on that little secret if you didn't know. And then some other items that I picked up this Glow facial serum. It has vitamin C and magnesium in it, and I got this from Marshall's. If you guys didn't know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I shop a lot. Well, most of the time I window shop, but if I see something that I like or something that's a great deal, I go ahead and do that. We like to go and walk. I take my son and we kind of do that. Like, if it's hot outside, we'll go to the mall, and sometimes I find things, sometimes I don't. So like I said, I found this facial serum. It was $5.99. And it's really good for evening out your skin tone, brightening up your skin and bringing out that inner glow. So I went ahead and tried this, and actually I'm using it in a video that I just filmed that will go up next week, so you guys can check that out. So it looks like this. It has a bit of a thicker consistency, but it does come in a droplet like this, and you just need a couple of drops and put it on your face. After, if you use primer, you can put it on before or after your primer, before you do your makeup, or you can just put it on, like, if you're not wearing makeup that day, it'll bring out a nice glow for your skin, or you can put it on before bed at night. So this is a nice little serum that I got. I like it so far. And then I also went to, like I said, I had 2 gift cards. So one of the gift cards, I went to Macy's. And it used to be like, when you, if there was a Macy's and a Nordstrom's at the mall, then the Nordstrom's would have MAC and the Macy's didn't. Well, I guess all the Macy's have MAC now too. So I was able to get some things from MAC, from the MAC store, and I was able to get some things from MAC from Macy's, so which was cool. So I don't know which is which. Okay, so I got this Whirl lipstick from Macy's. Yeah, I got this from Macy's. And I had the lip liner before, but I never had the lipstick, so I thought it was really pretty. Nice little deeper nude color. And I'm gonna swatch that for you guys. It's kind of like mauve-y. It would depend on your skin tone how it looks on you. So it's this color right here. So I got that from Macy's. And then I also picked up this lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the color Amber. And so it looks like this here. Sorry if you can hear Kendon. And then I'm just gonna swatch it on this side. Looks like that. You can see it. He's having a hard time. Okay, so let me hurry up because Kendon is not having it. Okay. I think was that the last? Oh, and then the last items that I got from MAC, I actually got the I had to re-up on some concealer, so I used the Pro Concealer in NC42, so I went ahead and got some of that. If you guys don't have it, it's great. A little bit goes a long way. It's full coverage and it's nice and silky, so go ahead and get you some. Okay, sorry if you can hear my son. I just have to go ahead and finish. So I also picked up the this lipstick from the Nicki Minaj collection, and it is called Nicki's Nude. MAC actually has a little section where they have some things that are discounted sometimes. So this was 40% off, so I got it for $10. And it's just a nice pink nude. Actually, I'm wearing it right now. So this is a nice little color, that lipstick that you can throw into your purse, that you can, a neutral color that you can wear with anything. So I went ahead and picked that up, and I really like it. I actually just topped it with this butter gloss from NYX that I already had. But yeah, so this is what the color looks like. I think that's all the things that I got. I'm really excited about all the items that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this where you can see what I bought and how to use it and things like that. So yeah, so let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Also, I do have a makeup class coming up. If you live in the LA area, it's gonna be in downtown LA. It's a Makeup and Mimosas class, so we're gonna head and sip and learn. I'm doing the class with my best friend, Glam by Amber J. Look her up on Instagram. If you don't know her, I'll link her handle below. I'll also link below the link for the tickets if you would like to purchase tickets to come to our class. It's going to be a lot of fun. We have a lot of things planned for you guys. It's going to be on highlighting and contouring. It's going to be foundation application, eyeshadow placement, how to apply false lashes, everything you need to know about doing the full face. So I hope you guys will come and join us for that class. It's going to be on February 24th, 2018 at 10:30 a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. We'll have mimosas. We're going to have a great time. So I hope you guys will join us for that class. Again, the link will be below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you guys next week.